What's up, guys? You're welcome to another YouTube video of Make Money Online. So what I want you to do is to watch this video to the very end, because I'll be dropping a vital information of how to make money online. Let's go. So the platform I'll be telling you guys today about is Goldmine, goldmine.com or goldmine.ng. I don't know, whichever one. I'll drop the link in the description, right? Okay, yes, goldmine.ng. So yeah, Goldmine is a new website that they just launched. Now you can make money online by performing simple tasks. Yeah, I also have a doubt on this website just like you, but I will share everything with you right now. So in Goldmine, what they do is that you'll be mining, but this time you'll be mining money, and you'll also be performing simple tasks like some other website that we have done in the past, right? Where you do simple tasks like sharing sponsor posts. And they also have affiliate. Affiliate is where you have to refer your friends to Goldmine and they'll pay you a commission for it, but it's not a must. In Goldmine, you don't need any affiliates to withdraw your money or stuff like that, right? Now in this platform, you can actually make up to 3,000 naira a day. I just want you to listen attentively to everything I'll be saying. You can make up to 3,000 naira a day on this platform. Okay, now what you'll be doing is that when you mine, you get 200 naira for mining, right? And when you share a sponsored post to Facebook, you'll get 100 naira. If you check my dashboard now, I don't have any money for that sponsor post because I don't do that. I don't like that one. But yeah, you can do it and get 100 naira. Then when you refer, which is the affiliate aspect of it, you get 2,000 naira. So if you can refer 2 people a day, that's 4,000 naira to this platform. And you don't have to go about doing that, trying to refer people, because I know most times the response I get from you guys is that I don't know how to refer people, I don't have people to refer. Yeah, you don't need people to do that. You can just be doing the 300 naira a day. Come tomorrow, do it. Whether you're in your office, you just come online and do that stuff. And yes, Goldmine, they do pay, but I have a doubt on this platform that it might crash. But now, what I want you guys to do is that if you have a spare 3,000 naira that you can everything in this life is just risk. Right, it's just risk. And why I think this is a good risk is that, let me share you guys the secret. Most of this platform, what they do is that when they come out newly, they will stay for like 2 to 3 years, and after then a lot of people will be on the platform and they'll crash. I am not telling you guys that Goldmine is going to crash. Like, I'm not so sure that it's going to crash, but I have a doubt that it will crash. Sure, you get. So yeah, I'm on your side, but I'm doing it, and I would advise you guys to do it. Why? Because it's very simple. If you join this platform now, you'll make a whole lot of money even before it crash. Sure, you get. This platform just came out a month ago, and when I check the domain, there's a way you check the domain. You know when they register for this platform. They register this platform for 2 years. So actually, the domain registration is going to end 2023. That will be the end of 2023. So the more this platform is growing, the more a lot of people will be joining. So by the time of the end of next year, which is 2023, a lot of people will be in this platform, and that is when it will crash. If it will crash, sure, you get. It's not much that it will crash, but that's when it will crash, if it will crash. So right now, what they will be doing is that they will be building the trust. They will be building trust. They will be making their platform to have value. So they are paying out. They're actually paying out, but already benefiting from this platform. So what you can do right now is to register for Goldmine and start making your own money, right? Yeah, to register for Goldmine is 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira. Yes, that's a one-time registration. After that, you don't have to pay any money for that again. All you have to do is to log in a day. You when you log in, you see a red button there where you will be told to mine. So you mine, and you get 200 naira, share sponsor post and get 100 naira, and that's that for the day. You come online, they will not allow you to repeat that again until the next 24 hours. So you come online after the next 24 hours and you do the same thing. So it's very simple. So that's what Goldmine is all about. So if you have any question you want to ask about Goldmine, I want to drop your question in the comment section. If there's nothing you don't understand, you can just drop it. So how to register is that you click on the link. I'll give you a link. Just check the description. You see a link. That's actually my link. You click it and it takes you directly to Goldmine platform, right? It takes you there and you see one of the vendors. They will ask you to purchase a coupon code, right? You'll be asked to purchase a coupon code, and you see the verified vendors where you can get coupon codes. They will be on the platform there. You message them on WhatsApp and they will give you they will give you their bank account number. You pay your 3,000 naira and they will send you your coupon code. So that coupon code will be on your registration platform. You insert it there, and that's how you do it. If you have any question, just drop, or you can message the number showing on your screen. You have to message me on WhatsApp and I'll put you through everything you want to know about it. Yeah, right? Yeah, so that's that about Goldmine. Okay, now you are watching your screen, you can see it. This is mine. I've done this 3 times and that's 600 naira right there. So this is how the platform looks like. You can see it's total cash out, you can see direct affiliate. I've not done any of that. Yeah, I just joined. Me too. I've joined this platform. So I would advise you guys to join because you make money from this platform, trust me. Referred zero. This is the dashboard. You click on the dashboard and it takes you to this page. This is the main page of the Goldmine app. You can see it's great features, everything that's here. No referral, there's contest. That contest is where you have to win money for contests, and they do compensate people on this platform, right, for making their brand grow. You can win something like phones, laptop, washing machine, a lot of different stuff. You can see this is what the dashboard look like. You can see the money there. You can see earnings. You can see more bonuses, and yeah, this is just how the platform look like. When you click on the link, you go through it, you see it, and you understand better. Registration fee is 3,000 naira. That's everything you are seeing on your screen right now. So yeah, so you click on this dashboard and it will take you to this place. This is your personal dashboard. This is mine right now. Here you can see this space. You get to see your dashboard, your profile, your payments. When you open your profile, this is how it looks like. You see your profiles. This is your profile. This is my personal profile, where you put your name, your bank account, and everything. Where you want to withdraw, you get every information there, and you withdraw your money to your bank account. Yeah, so this is how everything look like. Goldmine. Yeah, it's just, there's money to be made. More money has to be made online these days. If you are not making money online, then I think you are wasting your time. More money are there to be made online. Yeah, so this is how Goldmine looks like. You come back to this place, click on your user dashboard, and it will take you directly to the main page of Goldmine platform, which is this space. So yeah, click on your dashboard again. If you want to share sponsor posts, you click here, go to news and post, and yeah, it takes you to the sponsor post of the day. You can see this is sponsor post for 12th, which is yesterday. I'm making this video on the 13th, so this is sponsor post for yesterday. So I'm not going to share it because you'll not be allowed to do previous job, right? Yeah, I just go back to home, and yeah, this is the main platform. Go to your dashboard. You can see this place where it's showing wait 24 hours. After 24 hours, it's going to allow me to mine. And you click it. You just click it, the thing loads, and you get 200 naira. It doesn't take time, and you don't have to do anything. It's just a single tap, you get that done. So this is what you'll be doing on Goldmine platform. It's very easy, stress free. You just need a one-time registration fee of 3,000 naira. That's not a huge amount of money. Yeah, you get started. So that's it, guys. If you are still watching this, you can see everything is so transparent and flexible. I'm not going to introduce you to a wrong platform. Yeah, so if you're watching this video right now, click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and wait, because I'll be dropping another more info video about this Goldmine platform. For those that will not see this very video, I'll be making another video. Yeah, so I'm just uploading this video now, so you guys should take advantage of it.